This video guide will help you to get rid of fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Storepreciseuberinfo-file.info. If you see these pop-ups, keep in mind that they are totally faulty and deceptive. Actually, they try to mislead you and to make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or browser hijackers. So, if you ever see these pop-ups by this site Storepreciseuberinfo-file.info, as I said, don't ever interact with them. They promote unwanted browser extensions, so if any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So if you find any unwanted extensions here in place, be sure to deactivate them. Now, I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to obtain it is on the website combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.